This is the strongest natural antibiotic that exists. Just 1 tablespoon of this mixture will boost your immune system by 200% and eliminate the viruses and bacteria that cause cough. Today, I'll show you the correct way to prepare this remedy. First, you need to chop a red onion. Onions contain quercetin, a compound that helps combat flu, cough, tonsillitis, asthma, and allergies naturally. Now, chop 4 cloves of garlic. When you slice a clove of garlic, it releases allicin, a sulfur compound with great antimicrobial and antiviral properties. This will greatly help to strengthen our immune system. Place the ingredients in a container with a lid, and now add about 12 tablespoons of honey. Honey is very effective in reducing inflammation of the respiratory tract and quickly relieving cough. Stir for a couple of minutes so the ingredients can release their properties. Then cover and let it macerate overnight for at least 6 hours. The next day, strain the mixture. How do you take it? 1 tablespoon for adults or 1 teaspoon for children, preferably before bedtime. You will notice significant relief from the first spoonful. You can store this mixture in the fridge for up to 7 days. If you liked this recipe, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. I wish you a long and healthy life. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.